Good afternoon. This is Anka Metcalf with TradeOutloud.com, and today is June 6th, 2013, and it is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm here to bring you the update on the dollar-yen currency pair. Our last post was on June 2nd, and we had a short signal in. This is the daily chart of the dollar yen. We had a short signal in here at below the first line of 100.25, and we had multiple lower targets. Our first target was 98.75. Our second target was 97.80, and our third target was somewhere around $97. And our fourth target, 95.80, fulcrum area. Now let's go to the 4-hour chart to see more in depth the price action and what had happened with this currency pair. So right after our trigger, it followed through down, which favored more downside. It had a very weak bounce into a minor resistance area, consolidated here, and then continued lower, retesting the previous low that was formed earlier in the day, earlier in the week. Now, we had a very weak bounce right here, these two green bars, and then we had a retest of the previous lows at 98.80. Again, fulcrum area, so it had a lot of support into that area due to these two pivots right here and due to a previous price action back in May 7th. Now, we had a great follow through to our second target, 97.80 approximate level, and then we had a follow through again to this major support line, $97. And then for our last target, we can see it on the daily chart. Let's move to the daily chart right here. This is our last target of 95.80, also fulcrum area. And our last target is 92.80. But you could see right here from 95.80 to about 92 price level, we have quite a large tradable void. So if this area consolidates weak and it favors a real downtrending action. So we have higher odds of filling out this tradable void. Going back to the 15-minute chart, this was a great tradable day for day traders. Let me just refresh the chart real quick. Okay, you could see the tight consolidation happening right here. So for those of you that are day traders, this would have been a really great short intraday and with a very tight stop where the trigger would have been under $98.75, and the stop, you could even put your short-term stop under above 99.50. And for a larger time frame, so if you're expecting a much steeper target, you could place it right here above 100.29. This was all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to our bias for the dollar yen. And remember, we still have room to fill out a much larger tradable void, and it's all to the price action right now, and upon this consolidation, what happens here. And don't forget, next week, Bank of Japan decision rate. So this should be very, very interesting. This was all for today. Don't forget to like us, our Facebook page, where we're posting a lot of comments and a lot of charts. You can also ask questions, and feel free to comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy our videos. Thank you so much. This was all for tonight. See you next time.